Can you tell us the meaning of the word entrepreneur?
For me, entrepreneur means somebody who's started his own business.
That's good. Okay, now can you do us a little favor? Did you see the guy sitting over there? He's an entrepreneur. Can you go and tell him and make him understand who an entrepreneur is? Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
ये लोग ये आपका व्यापार है, ये आपका खुद का बिजनेस है और जो भी तुमने किया है खुद से किया है, तुम्हारी आइडिया है, तो इसका मतलब आपका एक तरीके से ये बिजनेस है। ये शब्द का अर्थ है व्यापार, लेकिन जो आदमी खुद से खुद का बिजनेस करता है उसको इंग्लिश में एंटरप्रेन्योर बोलते हैं। ये मीनिंग ये लोग चाहते हैं कि
I think it's क्या मिल रहे हैं people taking initiative to develop.
An entrepreneur or they should go into services?
Well, I come from services, community services.
Okay.
So that's my
That's your preference. But what would you want the future generation to do? Like your grandchildren, children, what do you want them to do?
well, they have to have education, and they have to look at things like environment, pollution. Delhi is very polluted. India is very polluted. The world.
I know a bit. Okay, so it's about like it's a businessman, a different word for businessman, entrepreneur. So entrepreneur is someone who doesn't is all about.
We are an entrepreneur.
You're entrepreneurs.
Almost.
Okay,
you
so
should be the CEO of your own job. So whatever you are doing, you should be the CEO for that.
yeah.
You know? You can be an entrepreneur. You yourself are an entrepreneur, right? So, you are college students, but at the same point of time, you are CEOs of your own job.
Yeah.
Whatever you are doing in whatever field, right?
So okay, can you tell us a bit about what you guys are doing, like in what field you are?
We are into digital marketing. That's
Okay.
And startup only. That's Acepedia.
Okay.
So we are working for them. So we are basically representing that company. So we are the business
Both
development.
are like taking responsibility for acting as a like entrepreneur.
Okay.
Right, so we are.
This is like
Yeah, entrepreneurs.
We're getting that feel out.
We got it. So, do you have some problems like you usually face when you're into your work field?
see, we always face lots of challenges.
Yeah.
If you if you're not able to face any challenges, then how will you able to like know that what are the difficulties, what sort of difficulties we are facing? So it is really but obvious to face any challenges. It is like it's a good thing for us to learning something.
So, when you're like trying to expand your business, fine. When you go to people and you tell them like investors and all, you would go and talk to them. So, what sort of problems do you face? What's the basic problem that you think that needs to be sorted out in the field of
You
entrepreneurship?
should be well aware of the product which you are going for. Right?
People mostly like really not interested in investing something in anything. This is the most challenging job we are facing right now. So whenever we face to any customers, like if we are telling them about our product, so they are really don't want to invest on that point of time. They need some time to think on this. So this is the main challenges we are facing. First of all, we need to educate the people what sort of product we are presenting to them. This is really most important.
So, do you have something you want to say to the future generation? Like, should they opt for entrepreneurship or should they go into services and all?
No, I'm just against of services. You should be an entrepreneur.
Thanks a lot. So, सर्वे कंडक्ट करें कि जो लोग खुद का काम कर रहे हैं अपने खुद के बिजनेस में, तो हम लोग बस यही एक अवेयरनेस है कि बता रहे लोगों को कि आप भी एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, तो खुद का बिजनेस करता है हम उसको एंटरप्रेन्योर कहते हैं. तो हमें इसके साथ एक फोटो चाहिए आपको. इस पे ये लिखा है आई क्रिएट, मैं बनाता हूँ, आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, मैं एक
नहीं
एंटरप्रेन्योर.
बेटा, आपकी बात सही है. बनाने का मतलब अपने हाथ से दस्तकार करने वाला. आपका ये शब्द
नहीं नहीं अंकल, वो वाला नहीं. क्रिएट मतलब आप देश के लिए कुछ कर रहे हो, आप अपने लिए कुछ कर रहे हो, आप कुछ बना रहे हो इस देश के लिए. बस वही वाला है इसका. इसके साथ एक फोटोज है.
हो जाएगा.